This is the 25K, 50K portfolio, the reduced risk portfolio. While margins have gone up and volatility has gone up, many have stepped down to pause trading or to trade a portfolio like this. Today, this is up 775 on SR CounterTrend. Took this short trade right here very quickly. SR CounterTrend 3 plus 475. SR CounterTrend 4 crude oil minus 825. And so it's up about $500 today on 3 trades. Much less trading. We're adjusting the volatility parameters on this because of some of the expansion in volatility. So let's go over the trades, all strategy access. Go over the highlights first. SR CounterTrends. SR CounterTrend portfolio is one of the best ways to trade this type of market. It's kind of a I came with the SR CounterTrend 2, 3, 4 portfolio, and it's at equity peaks. And so if you trade a range of markets trading this SR CounterTrend, it's turned out well for you. You see plus 575 on gold across the board on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. And then on silver, you have 3 days in a row where it's hit its profit target of 575. And down here on natural gas, plus 85 today. All strategy access 4. Natural gas, SR CounterTrend 3, plus 475. Asia gold, minus 1,025. SR CounterTrend 3. A and B on crude oil, both hit their profit targets at plus 575. Cobra crude, minus 725, and Cobra gold, minus 625. One of the things I'm noticing in this market is across the board, the counter trend strategies tend to work, and the trend strategies don't. I've never seen a case where where we're constantly getting stopped out on trend and momentum, but constantly being so consistent on counter trend. So it's counterintuitive to me, but SR CounterTrend 2 crude oil here, plus 475, and then minus 825 on SR CounterTrend 4. SR CounterTrend 2 on soybeans had a loss, minus 525. It's had 4 winners before that. And SR CounterTrend silver, plus 475. Asia gold 4 short, plus 975. The old Asia gold is minus 1,025. Gold flash, we're revising that. Minus 625 on Cobra Euro 4, minus 625 on Cobra Euro 2. Stock index portfolio, we are SR CounterTrends once again, plus 575, plus 575, minus 730, and then tick count trend NQ, minus 175 on that. Then we have SR CounterTrend 2 NQ, another SR CounterTrend, plus 870 or plus 775. Tick Pulse NQ minus 1890. These are the tick strategies are the dogs right now because they're using momentum, and momentum is just it's getting stifled. You see lots of momentum getting stifled in these setups, and so AT 2020 minus 725 in this setup. AT 2020 ES minus 1925 use momentum, and once again. Oftentimes these types of trades work where the market sells off at the open in a weak market and it continues down for the day, but not in this type of market. There's the dip buyers are still stepping in, and so it's a real struggle with momentum and trend. Same thing with these. One of the reasons why I'm adjusting the volatility filter is because these have such huge stop losses. These are range-based stop losses. These are excellent strategies to trade, but with the kind of volatility we're in, that puts that stop loss really high. And it also, this type of strategy has not been favorable for this type of market, but at least want to readjust stop losses for higher volatility ranges. SR CounterTrend, see these are open positions, so the market could roll over. We'll see what happens the rest of the day on that. SR CounterTrend 2, V2, 1M, 5M, and 15 all hit their profit targets, plus 575 across the board. Tick Pulse, like the NQ, ES, is minus 1875. Momentum is just not working. Even though we have all this massive range. Adaptive moving average is just kind of this fighting strategy that keeps it's going to find the trend eventually. Plus 1600 today. A lot of back and forth price action. Narrow ranges, firming up. Feels like a little bit of a bull market. SR CounterTrend 2 ES, another SR CounterTrend, plus 775. And so the best pandemic portfolio, in my opinion, is the SR CounterTrend 2, 3, 4. And if you want to trade small, you can trade the 25K to 50K portfolio, and those are some of the trades on the day so far.